In this video, I hope to give you solution for the iPhone display crack line. First of all, you can remove the display. You can remove the nails and display. You can see here. You can disconnect some cables, some lines, display lines just like this. It is very simple. You can remove each nails. Now you can see display has been removed. You can remove plate, earpiece, fingerprint sensor and any other wanted particles. Now I hope to show you them briefly just like this. You can carefully study this video and you can remove that things just like this, and you can remove necessary particles and parts. It is very simple process. If this video too fast, you can reduce playback speed. Okay, now I hope to increase temperature, so it is about 98 centigrades. Now I hope to remove unwanted metallic frame because I want only display. Now you can remove it just like this. You can cut display just like this. This is display separate glass and remove sometimes polarized film. It is very simple. You can use thin metallic cable. You can do it carefully. In this video I hope to show you it just like this. It is very simple. You can see now display with glue. You can remove them, and here I am not use glue remover. I hope to do it using my fingers. You can do it carefully because some glue coat cannot be removed using glue coat remover. Now you can some result. So I hope to remove them carefully. You can do it using hot plate just like this. You can remove it shown on the video. Now after completion of that, you can clean unwanted particles, unwanted glue particles and some fingerprint marks or any other dust particles. Now you can see it is cleaning with some chemical. Here I hope to use some thinner or any other. Now it is cleaned. I hope to insert new frame. You can see new frame attachment to our display. It is frame binding process. You can do it carefully just like this. Now I hope to place it just like this. Now I hope to insert flatbed laminating process. In this process it is binding together. It is very simple process. You can see it just like this. Now you can see crack lines not found. You can insert it into the motherboard because it is compulsory to test some touch testing, because sometimes touch may not work. So you can insert metallic plate and fingerprint sensor and earpiece. So it can be done using revised process of previously I showed. So you can see here it is very simple process. You can attach each previously removed nails. Now you can see fingerprint attachment process. Now earpiece also can be attached just like this. So you can do it carefully. You can see full description, and so you can see earpiece is attaching, some ribbons are attaching into the frame. In this video you can see each nails reconnecting, refixing. So I hope to attach each connection to the motherboard. It is smooth process. So I think now my mission is completed. Crack lines are gone. Phone is working very well. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. I hope to request you to subscribe my YouTube channel to get new technical updates.